In this video I will tell you how to create a program in Python that will convert temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. First open idle. Then click File tab. Then click on New File. Then click Save. Now add title for your program. Then click Save. Start a loop by writing, while true. Then click Enter. Now create a variable that will take temperature in Celsius from the user. Then click Enter. Now create a variable which will convert Celsius into Fahrenheit by multiplying it by 9 and divide ng by 5 and then add 32. Then click Enter. Now print the results. Then click File tab. Then click Save. Then click Run tab and then Run module or press F5. Now enter temperature in Celsius and it will convert it into Fahrenheit. If this was informative for you, then please like the video and don't forget to subscribe. Take care till next video. Thanks.